Now we're going to look at the where clause. So where clause is used to filter out records or from a table or a view or a join of multiple tables. So it specifies the conditions that must be met for a record to be selected. Now the where clause is used in a select. You can use it in the update, in the delete, all of those statements, just to narrow down the results to only those rows that fulfill the specified condition. So here we have the basic syntax of the where clause in the select statement. So we say select column 1 and column 2, and then from this table name where the condition. So table 1, table 2 are the fields that you want to retrieve, and then table name is the name of a table from which you want to fetch the records from. Condition is a criteria or criterion that the record must meet. Now the condition on the where clause, we can actually use these operators here. So we use these operators, and this one is the equal sign, and then we've got a or not equal. So whenever you see a exclamation with the equal, it means not equal. And then we've got the greater than, and then we've got the less than, we've got the greater or equal to, and then less than or equal to, and then between. So that is between a certain range, and then we've got like, so we can search for a pattern, and then in we need to specify multiple possible values in the columns. For example, now if we do example, we're gonna go back to our database, and so we have already created a couple of tables, and then we've created the online shop, and then I will provide the database file that we actually using. Now let's say we want to select the records with a specific value, so we can select all from, so we select all from the employees, then where, so we can put a condition where department is sales. So where department is sales. Now if we execute that, then we can see that we have Jane and Bob, where the department is sales. So this query, it selects all the records from the employees table where the department column is sales. So we can also use the greater than operator. So let's say we can say select first name and last name. Select first name, last name, perhaps salary as well. Salary from employees. And then where salary is greater than let's say 50,000. Now you can see then we've got Jane and Alice that have the greater the salary that is greater than 50,000. So that's the condition. So we're using the where with actually the condition. The query that we actually used, it retrieves the first name, the last name, and the salary of the employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. So we can also use, let's say we can find records within a range. Now let's look at products. So I'm going to add a new query here. Let's say we want to select all from products where price is between, okay, I just want to fix my spelling there, where price between between 10 and 20. Okay, between and 20. Now, if we execute, then we can see that we're returning two products whereby the price is between 10 and 20. So the query that we've used is select all the products from the table, from the products table where the price is between 10 and 20 exclusively. Now we can also use the like to find a pattern. Let's say we want to find some customers, let's just close this one so we can select, or from customers where city like let's say, so we've got a couple of cities there. Let's say the city starts with port, where city like port, and then we must just put a percentage somewhere here. So if we execute that, then we can see now we get a David Wilson, who is our customer and is from Port Elizabeth, because we're searching where the city starts with the word port. So it fetches the records from the customers table where the city starts with the word port, and then we get all the customers. Now sometimes we can actually combine the and or. Now there's a difference between and or. The or, either what's on the left or what's on the right can be correct to retain the result. And then with the and, both of them must be actually correct to return the result. Now let's take, for example, on the order. So I'm gonna just comment this one, and then let's comment this one as well. So let's take the order table. So we can select all from orders, where select all from orders, and then where order date, is greater or equal, and let's say to 23 01 01, and order date less or equal 2023 12/31, and status is equals to shipped. Now we can execute, and now this example, we select the orders that were shipped in the year 2003 basically. Sometimes we can also use the in operator to use multiple, or to specify multiple values. for example, we can say select all from employees where the department in, so we use the in operator, where the department in sales marketing. Now if we execute, then we can actually see the department that is in sales and marketing. So it returns all the employees who works in either the sales or marketing department. So this is just the examples that demonstrate how the where clause can actually be used in SQL Server to filter out records based on various conditions.